Hi, friend. It's Tigertown Ron here from my home office in the Hammer, Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. I'm alive, I'm alert, and I'm ready to be of service. I got some more juicy stuff for you here. Create sustainable online income guided by a proven step by step blueprint. $900 daily, paid in cash that day. Your bills come in every month, right? So should your income. Build financial security with a predictable passive cash flow. Sounds good, right? Turn your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, and YouTube into profit machines. You get easy to follow instructions, access to top quality tech support. You get an automated system that runs effortlessly 24 hours, 7 days a week, earning you consistent hands-free income, not talking to anybody either, with just 2 hours of work per day. What I would suggest is take a free tour, look around. If you look under this video, in the video description, you'll see comments. And the top comment, the last time I looked, was a way to get a free tour, a link to get a free tour of the whole system. Don't dive right in. You don't have to dive right in. You can check it out. And I hope to hear back from you. Bye bye for now.